Smile. Smile pa, smile. Meron ka pala. Ano, bawal ka. Ay, picture ka muna. Go. Five. Sige. One. Two. Kamaya. Wait lang. Smile. Careful lang. Yeah, careful. Bunso yung sword mo.
Dapat sineryoso ko lang ba?
Oh, put it back. Where did you get that? Do you remember? Here. Kaius, look.
No, dito. Hindi.
No, that's different. I remember here, Kaius here. I think this wing. I think this wing. Yeah. Right?
Ayun.
Oh. Very good, Kaius. Smile mo na.
Ito kasi.
Ako na, smile ka na. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Ang ganda mo naman. Smile, Kaius. Smile, Kaius, smile. Smile. Dito, tingin sa sir dyan.
Tingin na.
Smile. Sama ko. Ayun, lalakad ako lipstick. Lipstick ako. Forget ko na yung lipstick ko. Wait.
Kami ni Mama, matibay pa yung lipstick namin kanina pa umaga.
Okay. Smile up. Kasama yung pizza mo.
1, 2, 3, smile! Ang ganda ni Mami Kia.
Kaya smile. Siya natin pizza namin. Smile. Okay na yun. One, two. Guys, look at the camera. Smile, guys, the camera. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile. Gawin mo, mama. Wait lang, teka, may video mo? Saan yung video mo? Ha? Video mo lahat. Naka, get ko na. Oh. Wow. Kaya na, chill. Kaya na, teka, wait. Hey, cheese. Ano? Kain, cheers. Malamig ko ito, masarap. Kain ka. Parang daddy niya.
Ay, may dumi ka dito here, oh. Dito.
Yeah.
Tsaka other one.
today? Thank you so much and I love the pizza, sabi niya. Are you happy today? You enjoy the
The holding?
Tom's World? You have your new book? And you renew your passport? And you have your big pizza? Are you happy today? Huh? Are you happy today? What's your question? What's your question, anak?
Sakto lang.
What's your question? May question daw siya. Nag-isip. What's your question to us? Can you give us a question? Ask question to Mama.
Ako sa mga basketball.
You want to be a basketball player?
Tutingin.
Ito may kasya pa. Dalawa pa.
Kain ka pa ba, ma? Hindi, ako niya kay Kobe. Na, si mama pilit pang inaan eh. At dito ako nakatingin eh. Kapag hindi kasi niya naubos yan, tutulungan ko.
Oo, kalas yan kay Kobe Maya isang buong. Okay na, Hayus.
Kain pa.
Kaya, tama na. Kaya mo ba?
Take it slowly ah. Take it slowly.
Give mo na kay Kams. Tama na. Enough na. Sarap yan ang kapoy.
Oo nga. Oh, kaya itok mo siya. Kaya itok mo.
Are you happy now?
Are you full?
Are you full? You need to wash your hands there. Go there first. Go there. Go there.
Hindi na sabi ko, dito kayo.
Malayo tuloy yung tingin.
Diba? Tangin ang distance.
Go. Careful ah. Careful. Ano?
Si Julian din daw dapat aalis na eh. Si Johnny yung wala.
Go. Enjoy na enjoy sa festival mo. Yan ang parang ano niya, Luneta niya ba? Luneta Park. Hindi man natin madala na sa Luneta. Yan na yun. Lagyan ko na lang music and sis na.
Akala ko, bagal nila. Bagal.
Ganda ng ano. Yung green tapos
Kasi yan pala yun.
careful. Are you happy today? Are you happy? Maraming mata, masarado na. Ganyan. Second floor, kumain kami ni Yuli, di ba? Nakakasal lang namin, nag-delivery kami, nag-ramen
naman
kami.
yun, ah.
Oo, dyan lang kami. Pero masarado. Board North, Mountain Elsa, Queen of Arendelle, let her power over snow and ice fly from her fingers. Are you listening? Come, if you're listening. She created swirling patterns of ice with her magic. With another gentle wave of her hand, something else appeared, a snowman.
Ayun yung yung dun si Elsa movie.
Yes. The snowman stood still as snowmen tend to do. He had 2 twig arms, 3 cold buttons, and a big smile. Elsa walked farther up the North Mountain, tossing her cape into the wind. Are you listening? No? Let's go na. Sa house na. Before we sleep. Nag-listen ka? She didn't notice when her cape landed right on the snowman. Lumipad daw yung cape.
What? Kay Elsa?
No. Di ba si Elsa to? Lumipad yung cape niya kay snowman. She didn't notice when her cape landed right on the snowman. Ayun no?
Ang dami
Ayun no?
din.
Yung cape, yung sa likod ni, yung damit niya. Napunta doon sa likod.
Hindi, mainit din ako. Sabi nila.
Diretso mo na.
Pareho dyan. Mainit.
Opo. And then,
Grabe.
At yung kit niya,
yes,
Yung araw,
napunta
parang
kay
nasa
snowman.
mukha niya,
Ayun no, tinan mo, nalaglag siya.
diba? Naka-ano siya. Naka-twist.
Yes. Ayun no, nalaglag siya. Patuloy na natin to be continued on our
Pero
road.
pag ano na, buhay na
Okay?
buhay na naman yan.
Okay. Thank you for listening to our story, Snowman. Let's go na. Galing. Thank you, Davey. Tama na.